Hi class, just want to let you know that I have finished grading all the papers for this first assignment. Um, there was a couple of things that I noticed as trends. Some people were having a hard time conceptualizing the nature of what's happening in this course. For this first paper, you were just to analyze your organization. Basically, tell me about it. Tell me kind of what are the things that you need to know if you were going to be creating a strategic plan. The next paper is where you're actually going to talk about the strategic plan that you're going to create to do some kind of change initiative or some kind of initiative in your company or an organization. So paper one was kind of setting it up. Paper two is going to talk about what you were going to do. Paper three is going to be where you actually talk about the way you're going to implement this plan. How are you going to implement it and get it out into the organization? The class used to be set up that you would actually try to do some kind of intervention during the class, but that doesn't happen anymore because we realized you really don't have time in 10 weeks to get that done. Just a couple of things. Remember to use headings. I make words bold within the assignment, so any class you have of mine, you're going to see that there are bold words. Those words are what I want you to use for the heading. So I tell you specifically, typically, what I want you to use for the heading. Be sure to read the assignment thoroughly. Remember to stick with APA, double-spaced, New Times Roman, 12-inch font. Indentions should be 5 spaces. Word is now typically defaulting to a shorter indentation tab. I don't know why. Word does some weird things. It also adds spaces after paragraphs and all kinds of things. So you need to create a new normal template. Basically change the document to make sure it's set up the way you want it set up. And when you save it, it should save those settings. Give or take. There's some YouTube videos on that. If you need to know more about setting up those kind of things, I can send you a YouTube video. But overall, people did really well. I'll also record another video when we get closer to the next paper due date, and we'll talk about that. Which I don't know, is it coming up? That's a very good question. Is the next paper coming up? You know, week 6, we're in week 5 now, so we've got another week. So yeah, next week I will send you that out. I do have the mid-course evaluation set up. It's a quiz. It's anonymous. Not a quiz, it's a survey. It's anonymous. You'll find it in the course modules. If you'll please click on that and fill that out and give me some feedback, that would be lovely. And talk to you more soon.